Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wali Anggriani. Today I would like to explain the article that my group and I wrote. The title of our article is Exploring the Impact of Reading Activities in Social Media on Generation Z Students' Comprehension. This study talks about how social media affects the reading comprehension of Generation Z students. Nowadays, social media is part of students' daily life. Most students spend a lot of time on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. They read many short texts every day, such as captions, comments, and short information posts. Because of this, we want to know whether this kind of reading helps or harms their reading comprehension. The main purpose of this research is to see the impact of reading activities on social media on students' reading comprehension, especially vocabulary, understanding the main idea, and making inferences. For the method, we use a quantitative descriptive approach. We collected the data from 30 students of the English Education Department at Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. The data were collected using an online questionnaire through Google Forms. The questionnaire had two parts. The first part asked about students' social media usage and reading habits, and the second part was a short reading comprehension test. Now I will explain the result. The results show that most students use social media every day. WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok were the most commonly used platforms. Most students use social media to get information and for entertainment. Based on students' opinion, most of them feel that social media helps them improve their English vocabulary and understand text more quickly. However, many students were not sure whether social media has a negative impact on their ability to focus when reading long texts. From the reading test, we found something interesting. Most students could answer vocabulary and main idea questions correctly. However, almost all students had difficulty answering the inference question. This means they could understand the text on the surface, but they struggle to understand deeper meaning. From these findings, we can say that social media has both positive and negative effects. It helps students learn new vocabulary because they often see English words on social media. But because the content is usually short and fast, students tend to read quickly and don't read deeply. This makes it harder for them to analyze information and draw conclusions. In conclusion, social media can support vocabulary learning and quick understanding, but it does not really help students develop deep reading comprehension. Therefore, students still need to practice reading longer and more structured text to improve their academic reading skills. That's all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.